Hope you see me. Not me actually, the paper. So we are going to discuss 2023 second term paper from Western Province, Kampaha Education Zone. Grade 9, second semester, second term. Okay, we are going to discuss part 1. I think in my class the students have got nearly 75 marks for this paper, but that is, I think it's a low mark because this is an easy paper, so you can score more than that. So therefore I think we need to recorrect all the wrong ones. So we'll go through the paper quickly, and I have a answer script also. So I can show you the answer script of one of our student. This is her answer script. She got 74. So I think I may go on this paper, this answer script, and I might stop at the wrong ones she had came across, so I can explain that difficult questions in this video. I think first question is okay, second question is also very easy, third okay, fourth okay, fifth one is okay, but the eighth one, I think she have done it wrongly. That is because by the time when she doing this paper, we haven't done that lesson, the graph lesson. So we'll just discuss that question. I think eighth question, we'll go to the question. Y equal minus x plus 3. Write the gradient of the straight line given by the equation. So in this equation, the gradient is, what is the gradient here? Normally we know this graph, the type of the graph is y equal mx plus c, gradient. So here the m is, there is no number, but there's x. X has multiplied by minus 1 actually. So minus 1 would be the answer for this question. M equal minus 1. So you can see this is the answer script. This is the y equal mx plus c. You can show the type of the graph like this, and you can write the given equation and show the answer m equal minus 1 within bracket. So when you write down the answers in this kind of a paper, try to show that you know the answer, you know the facts. So that's why the answer script also given these the additional answers, like not only the direct answer, but they have explain your answer, like giving this type of the function of the graph like that. So let's move on to the next difficult question. So in this paper, my student got wrong in the question number 11. That also I think she may missed it because at that time she doesn't know about the lesson. when she's doing this question paper. 11th question, diameter of the wheel of a vehicle is 98 centimeter. Okay, diameter is given. This is from the circumference lesson. Find the distance traveled by the vehicle. Find the distance traveled by a vehicle when the wheel rotates 5 rounds. Okay. So you are given the diameter. You can find out the circumference of this circle. You know, wheel of a vehicle is a circle. It's a circular path. So we'll find out the circumference first. Then you can multiply it by 5 to find out the distance traveled by the vehicle when the wheel rotates 5 rounds. So we'll look at the answer, 11th question. The answer is this one. Can you see? Right. So the answer is this one. So what is the formula for circumference? Circumference equal 5d. 5 means 22 over 7 multiplied by the diameter 98. So it gives us a good answer, a round answer. One round, the one me එකනේ අපේ circle එකේ වටේ දිග එක circle එකක එක wheel එකක වටේ දිග සෙන්ටිමීටර් 308යි. ඒ වගේ round පහක් කරකුවාම when you rotate it for 5 rounds, the එකනේ circumference එක පරිමිතිය වටේ දිග තමයි මේ එකනේ අපි ගියපු දුර ප්‍රමාණය. The distance we traveled for that 5 rounds equals to 15.4. Okay. Now next one. Next my student got wrong with the question number 17. Okay, let's look at the question number 17. I think it's also an easy one. I don't know why these girls are not doing these questions. The ratio of the magnitude of the three angles of a triangle is 1 to 3 to 5. ඉතින් දැන් මේ ඔයාලට දීලා තියෙන්නේ triangle එකේ magnitude එක විශාලත්වය 1ට 3ට 5 කියලා. හරි? එතකොට කොහොමද මේකෙන් අහන්නේ විශාලම කෝණය? දැන් 1ට 3ට 5 ratio lesson එකේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඉගෙනගෙන තියෙනවා මේක. ratio lesson එකේ විශාලම මේ angle එක වෙන්නේ එතකොට මෙතන මේ දීලා තියෙන තුනෙන් විශාලම එක 5. එහෙනම් අපිට මේ 5ට අදාළ magnitude එක තමයි හොයන්න ඕනේ, angle magnitude එක. කොහොමද ඒක හොයන්නේ? අපි දන්නවා triangle එකක what is the sum of the all three angles of triangle? It's equal to 180. So we can solve this question. So as we know all the theories. So let's look at the answer script. Question number 17. So the answer is this. Look at the answer. 1 to 3 to 5. So you can also elaborate your answer like this. 1 to 3 to 5. That means x plus 3x plus 5x equal 180. Sum of interior angles of a triangle. So you have to explain the answer. You have to explain. You write like this. Why this 180? There is a theory. So you need to mention it. අනිවාර්යෙන් ඒක ලියන්න. ඒක ටක් ගාලා ලියන්න. මෙම කෙටියෙන් හරි ලියන්න. angles කියලා ලියන්න වෙලා මදි නම් අර කෙටියෙන් ඔය angle mark එක හරි දාලා ලියන්න. ඊට පස්සේ මෙතන එකතුව 9x නේ. 180. So you can solve it, no? X equal 20. ඊටඟට අපිට answer එකේ ඒකල අහන්නේ magnitude of the largest angle. magnitude එක මොකද්ද largest angle එක? නා x කීයද? x 20යි නම් magnitude of the largest angle would be 100 degrees. හරි දැන් අපිට කරන්න තියෙන්නේ මෙන්න මේ අපි එක චුට්ටක් පුතේ ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පේනවද දන්නේ නැහැ මම මේ කරන විදිය මට හිතුණා මේ විදියට තමයි ඔයාලට එක්ස්ප්ලেইন කරන්න පුළුවන් ලේසිම විදිය කියලා. මොකද දැන් zoom අරගන්න වෙලාත් නැහැ. වෙලා නැති නිසා තමයි මම මෙහෙම කරන්න හිතුවේ. මම දන්නවා ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මේ ලයිව් එක දැන් නම් බලන්න බෑ. දැන් ගොඩක් රෑ වෙලා. හැබැයි ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මේ රෙකෝඩින් එක පස්සේ හරි අහන්න පුළුවන් නිසා තමයි මම මේ විදිහට කරන්නේ. Okay. හරි. අපි දැන් කරන්න ඕනේ කීවෙන එකද? කලර් එක චේන්ජ් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. කලර් එකයි චේන්ජ් වෙන්නේ නැත්තේ. Give me 1 minute. හරි. දැන් හරි. අපි 18 කරමු find the value of x. ඔන්න x කීයද කියලා අපෙන් අහන්නේ. මේ තියෙන x. එතකොට අපි කොහොමද x හොයන්නේ? Now we know when we extend let me open up the textbook also, then I can easily explain it to you. Lesson number, I forgot the lesson number. Yeah, I got it. So this is the theorem. Can you see it? If a side of a triangle is produced, the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. So you can see this figure. M equals to P plus Q. Okay, so that is so simple. So the opposite two angles, the sum of two opposite angles equals to the exterior angle magnitude. So likewise, here the sum of two opposite angles. What are the sum of two opposite angles? Show me this. So I'm going to show you. Now this is one opposite angle. So opposite angle of the angle x would be 40 degrees and this angle, let me put it as y. So we don't know that magnitude, so we have to find it, because we know angles on a straight, sum of the angles on a straight line is 180. So we can find out y here by deducting 115 from 180. So after that you can find out x. So we'll go to the question answer script. So they have shown the theorem like this. So you will get the answer. So easy. Exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angles of a triangle. So you can by heart this theorem. Exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angles of a triangle, right? So it's also very easy. So let's look at the another one. Okay, correct. ඊළඟට ඔයාට වැරදිලා තියෙන්නේ first part on them part 1 එක ඉවරයි. We have almost finished the part 1. Actually this girl got 30 marks out of 40, which is not a good mark. Actually I'm expecting more for watching.